show you scenes of this village. This is what this village looks like. This is how the people live.
Hier, c'est toute la population. Toute la...
Non, on ne parle pas.
On peut le faire plus grand? Non. C'est fermé?
Oui, oui.
Ouais, on a fait comme ça peut bien faire 2 km. Voilà. Voir la coutume quoi, ils vont voir. Voilà, oh merci beaucoup. Ah oh merci. Super.
Regardez parce que c'est quelques blagues qui sont venues.
Oh.
On fait un cadeau.
Oh ne t'en fais pas, moi j'allais revenir.
D'accord.
J'allais revenir.
Oui. Mais peut-être c'est mieux. Plonge-toi.
Il faut montrer.
Non, plonge-toi, non, plonge-toi.
Comment ça commence même.
Non, non, elle est... No, the real.
This is how they cook. Actually, when I was growing up and I would go to the village to see my grandmother, this is exactly how it is in my village. This is how we cook. We cook on the 3 stones. These, wait, okay, merci. Wait, merci. These, the way they make this, it's made out of stone. Okay, pardon. The way they make this,
Patience.
the way they make this, it's made out of basically 3 stones. They make this with mud. And then as you can see, here is the wood. This is how these people eat. So when it's wet and the wood is wet, you can imagine it's very difficult right now for this to light fire. And it's the children's responsibility to do it. So as you can see out here, as we keep repeating, they don't have any clean water in this village. This is how they drink their water. This is the drinking water they have. You know that this water is not clean. This is the color of the water. This is the color of the water. It's brown. It's the same color as the ground. If you come and see here, look at the water. It's brown. This is not water that people should be drinking because this water there's a lot of disease and sickness in it. And as you can see, it's just falling like this. It's falling off of the thatch, it's falling in here. Look at this water. Il faut le montrer pour qu'il puisse bien voir.
Oui.
Ah, ça c'est 2 trucs là. Il y a quelque chose dedans. Ah, ok.
C'est l'eau là qui coule là, qui est dans le...
Ouais, ouais.
Casserole.
C'est ça. C'est ça.
Il est jeune, non? Il y a une maman qui a trop pas mis droit. Il y a quoi? Il y a vidéo. Il y a vidéo.